Sorry, I was wiping eyeshadow on my carpet. I need new brushes. But what comes first? A new car or a new brush? New brush. When I'm cuddling with a guy, I just moan. Just to tease him. And he starts moaning back. I'm like, sick. Hello, everyone. Yeah, I haven't recorded in like 8 years, so don't kill me. Who's gonna kill you, bitch? You're 3 fans. I literally had stomach flu, which is stunning. It says, and it spells out what? aliiiyahhhh. It spells out my name in like little, I'll come closer. So cute, right? Stunning. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I haven't worn makeup in so long, so my skin's like reacting bad. Like it's really flaky and dry. So that's stunning. And guys, talk to you guys in like 2 seconds to do this look, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I've been busier than like Noah building his ark, and not in a good way. So honestly, I just wanted to record because I'm a bored bitch. Nova. Stunning. Took my nails off because my nails need a break times 10.5. I'm back to nubs, even though I love nails. So yeah, okay. So I'm just brushing through my brows, and I'm not gluing this down today. So if you see lace or my real hair, you know why. I don't know why I'm shaking, but I am. For carving out the whatever. Okay. Oh my god. The only good thing about not having nails is blending out makeup with your fingers. TBH. And like, I don't know what's wrong with me, but I've been like extra hating myself lately. Like judging my every little everything. I'm gonna use Courtney. My family is a zoo, let me tell you. I cannot tell you how many Christmases have ended with my mom having my aunt in a headlock, breaking a lamp. That's one Christmas. I have so many stories about my family fighting, especially on holidays. Oh my god. Ooh, this is blending like a dream. I'm just trying to get you guys the best lighting as possible. Okay, much better. Loves it. Okay, so I'm just building that up to my likings. But yeah, I recently just got over the stomach flu. I was so sick. I was in bed for like 3 days. I probably lost like 800 pounds when I only weigh like 52. So I'm a negative 784, something like that. I feel like I have like poison ivy or something. Okay. Why am I annoying myself right now? Like, I don't know if you guys can see, but this eye is literally flake central. It's stunning. I think I'm gonna move in with a little bit of pink. Why was I talking about some rhymes? It's not good because I need money. I'm gonna prostitute. Sell my limbs or something. Okay, what are you actually doing, Matilda? Oh my god, so I went to a Packer game last weekend, and let me tell you, the hee-haw diddly-doo, it sucked. It was a group of 6 girls, and let me just tell you, from the beginning, so we get there, and right away, my sister and her friend that she brought, they were like, oh, we're going to get tattoos. And we're all like, okay, like, thanks for inviting us. Like, they didn't even invite us, so they just left and got tattoos. And then the rest of us 4, were just in the hotel room listening to music, like getting ready because we were gonna go to dinner. And I'm getting ready after my shower. Guess what I forgot? kind of scared. I'm closing my window. I don't want anyone to know that I'm up here. I forgot all my makeup brushes. All my makeup brushes. I forgot my lash glue. I forgot all my eyebrow products, and I think that's all. But like, that's like the core of your makeup routine. Like, that's my core, my root, whatever. So I honestly don't know what I want to do. This is another good reason not to have nails. You get to do this. I used to use my boyfriend's fingers when I had nails.
Ooh. I know you're upset, but we're going to Kelly's. Do you want something?
I'll have mozzarella sticks, please.
Oh, I'm sorry. Are you doing a video?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Care.
You're gonna edit me.
I don't know. Might want to embarrass you.
It's the mozzarella sticks, that's it?
Yes, mother, and order a mozzarella sticks, please. My mom's kind of my own Grubhub. It's just a super natural look. It's natural. Sorry, I was wiping eyeshadow on my carpet. So, I don't know if I'm liking this, but whatever. I can't really do anything about it. Loves it. Okay, so I was just being myself, and I ventured off into my annoying ass creative ways, and I did white liner, and then I was like, that kind of looks weird, so I outlined it with pink liner, and I know it looks a little janky, but I don't have time. I really don't. So let's just get started on this face, because this face needs some what? Base. I'm not gonna prime my skin because why the hell should I, you know? Oh my god. Okay. The NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and conceal my under eyes. I want him to pound the living life out of me. And that's like an understatement about what I want him to do to me. I want to make love with him. Can you blend, or what are you doing? I'm gonna dabble out into hell and take no filter concealer. I place it above my cheekbones and not more so like on them. I don't know why I do. Whatever. Okay, so I'm just setting my face with Too Faced. The fuck is this? Peach Perfect Too Faced Stunning. It's actually not that good of a powder, like at first it is, but throughout today, no. The rest of my face I'm gonna set with Maybelline Shine Free Powder as per usual. I have like a really bad headache right now. And I think I'm gonna let him enter me. Ow! My life. Oh, awesome. I'm in a hurry because I don't even know why. Bronzing my skin. When I had the stomach flu, I literally could not stop going to the bathroom. I probably went like, not even orgasm. I keep dropping everything. This is why I need a new vanity. I'm so sick of this little tiny shit. I went to the potty like 800 million times, not even over exaggerating. I started crying because when I get sick, I get really sad. I'm like, I cry because I hate the feeling of being sick. Like, my poor little baby self is sick. Like, where's my man? Take care. Oh, my whole exact skin is actually peeling. I need new brushes. Well, what comes first? A new car or a new brush? New brush. But yeah, staying home from work was crazy amazing, but I know my paycheck's going to not be crazy amazing. I really fucking hate winter time with a passion. With a fucking passion. Taking NARS orgasm and placing it on my cheeks. Stunning. Does anyone else do that? Like when I'm cuddling with a guy, I just moan. Just to tease him. And he starts moaning back. I'm like, sick. Okay, so I'm spraying my face. Stunning. Okay guys, I'm gonna use the Dream Calcium Soda Borosilicate. What is wrong with me? I'm gonna use Unicorn since I'm wearing pink. Stunning. I feel really ugly. Yeah. Oh my god. Brown Sugar Lip Liner by Kylie Cosmetics. What was that, bitch? Hey guys, this is an outro. I'm saying hi. Anyways, this is what I came up with. I didn't even do mascara because I kind of just like the way like the naked eye looks. I just wanted it up till it's whatever. Hope you guys enjoyed it because I enjoyed it. I need a face transplant because I'm ugly. Like times 10. I'm gonna hashtag go so I can hashtag get my ass ate. I'll talk to you guys in the next one though. Bye.